Yo, man, what's going on with y'all boys today, man? I wanna hold on. I'm gonna really turn up in this bitch. We on hold on, man. Hey, y'all can make me rap in this bitch, man. Hold on. I'll just listen to Boston Richie though. But yeah, man, it's a beautiful morning today. I just want to cut the camera on. Y'all see, I got a GoPro today, man. GoPro in the camera, GoPro in the cut. Oh, I thought she had some damn Christmas stuff on her car. But yeah, man, I just want to cut the camera on, give y'all like a morning POV right quick in the Scat pack. Hey man, don't y'all hate when y'all get in the car and like, you know, that little frost be all over your windshield and everything. I gotta ride with a damn heater on right now. And it's about like, I mean, it's 65 degrees. It's still the summertime though, and it's 65 degrees. But y'all know fall around the corner though. I ain't gonna lie, that's probably like my favorite time of year. Man, that Scat engine sounds so good. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, man, let me know how y'all week been though. Let me know in the comment section what y'all do this weekend, man. But yeah, this weekend I'm thinking about getting an exhaust cut, well, the mid pipe cut. And y'all see, y'all hear like a little squeak. I probably gotta get some more brakes too, cause I've been hearing like a squeak lately. So I'm gonna get some brakes. Man, brakes on the Scat pack, that is, bro, brakes on the Scat pack is not cheap at all. Cost like $300-400 for some brakes. I was like, man, what in the... And then sometimes the brakes be on back order. And y'all know like Mopar, they ain't finna like make no Challenger Scat packs and all that. So I mean, they ain't finna make no, you know, Challenger chargers no more. So the parts gonna be on back order, and the parts gonna take a little while to come too. So man, I hope like, you know, they got some somewhere, like go to O'Reilly Autos or something like that, or the dealership. But I heard somebody say like the dealership the only one that have like a Scat pack brakes, you know, the Brembo brakes. But I ain't never checked O'Reilly, so I'll check and see. Scat pack jumping in the morning, man. Let me check the camera, make sure y'all straight. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. I gotta get me a thumbnail too. But yeah, in a minute, I'm finna run into some traffic. I already know. So tomorrow, I'm gonna pull the camera out while they cut the mid pipe. And hopefully they don't cut, you know, the active exhaust, so the engine light gonna come on. So I don't want no type of engine lights on my car. So I heard if you cut that active exhaust, the engine light will come on. So I'm gonna try to tell them, don't cut that. I don't want no type of lights, none of that. Yeah, man, they going so slow. I ain't gonna lie, them new Kias look hard. Them Kias in them Hondas, they be looking crazy. But yeah, man, that new 2K just came out today too. I ain't even get a chance to play it yet. Y'all boy, let me know how it is in the comment section, man. If y'all ain't know, I used to play 2K a lot, man. I used to have like a gaming channel for 2K. Y'all probably didn't know I used to have like a gaming channel. I used to like stream 2K, be on 2K a lot, man. Like stream it, make videos, all that. I was taking 2K serious. But I mean, I just started like really growing out of it for real. Like when 2K, I think what, 2K21? Yeah, like after 2K20, I just stopped playing it. 2K20 was probably the last best game, I ain't gonna lie. Like before they even went to next gen. The next gen, I don't know what it is, like, cause on next gen I had switched to Xbox. And bro, that shit, I don't know if it's just the Xbox or 2K. I just don't like playing it like that no more. But I was thinking about getting a PS5. I might get it around like Black Friday when they go on sale for real. Cause I don't even know if I'm gonna really play the game for real. I don't be playing the game like that though. I just be with my baby, man. Nigga with the Scat. But yeah, man. Car still looking clean for real. We gotta get it like, I gotta get the floors cleaned and all that. But yeah, I ain't gonna talk y'all head off. I'm in traffic right now, so I might pull the camera back out later and finish this video. But yeah, man, y'all boy, make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe though. Help me out in the algorithm system, and help push out my videos for real. So yeah, y'all boy, like, share, comment, subscribe, man. And I'm gonna pull the camera back out in a minute.
Louis V to my last truck, busy to the transcript. Oh, you want to fight? Tell me why the fuck your ass here? You would think I was banking OTF, only fam here. Oh, you got that low to the last nigga, can't go blame him. Bitch can't come back onto the penthouse, she left her last year. Niggas late as fuck, right on 7 in the last year. 20 niggas up, fucking good, she had a bad year. Them niggas be capping, bitch, you know we got a bag here.
Hey bro, I was just riding in traffic, right? So I'm like, damn man, this Camaro look hard. I ain't gonna lie, man. Y'all be damn downplaying them Camaros, but them Camaros, they look hard, I ain't gonna lie. I think bro got a 2SS. Oh, and the headlights go like a Mustang too. I ain't gonna lie, that hard. I ain't gonna lie. As y'all know, if y'all go to my previous videos, I was gonna get a Camaro 2SS, but man, y'all already know the Scat was calling my name, so I had to get the Scat. But yeah, man, I ain't gonna lie, I like the Camaro too though. If y'all boy got a Camaro, man, hey, don't listen to nobody talking about the Camaros. They they not ass. Them things are fine. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, man, I just wanted to cut the camera on and say that. Those things are hard. Pause.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
I need some orange juice from Waffle House. I need to go to that Waffle House up there. I need me some orange juice, bro. Oh, he got the decals on the side too. That's hard. Hey, boy, I'm coming up with you, boy. Get a ass little show. But yeah, man, it can be 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm still cutting up. I don't care. I ain't cutting up, but you know, I do like a little pour like that. But yeah, I ain't doing too much. But yeah, man, y'all boy like, share, comment, subscribe in this video. I just want to give y'all a quick morning POV. Make sure y'all boy like, share, comment, subscribe, and let's get it.